What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm gonna be going over my Dialogflow restaurant chatbot, and I think my last restaurant chatbot video was a really long time ago. It was around 4 to 5 months ago, where I talked about a chatbot that I made, a restaurant chatbot that I made, and I worked with a restaurant I think about 6 months ago, and I made them a chatbot. But this time, I worked at another restaurant, and their needs were a bit different compared to the restaurant I worked with 6 months ago, and the chatbot was looking different. And I also made basically I made an email collector, which basically takes in a customer's email address and emails that contact information to the restaurant itself before the conversation starts. And there are also multiple different uh, um, uses, and there's a lot of new things that I added that weren't there 6 months ago, in which I'm gonna show you guys in today's demo for a restaurant chatbot video. So I'm not gonna really go into the fulfillment code, as there is some classified information with like the email address, passwords, and some API numbers that I don't really want to show in this video. But this is basically a demo website I used to test the chatbot, and right here we have the chat, which this is a restaurant saying Percy's, and we have the chat saying, I'm a virtual assistant. Before the chat starts, we will need your email address and phone number. But if you'd not like to enter it, you can reply hi. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna reply hi because it saves time. But I can if I enter my email address and phone number, it is gonna my chatbot is the back end is gonna send an email to the restaurant, which I don't really want. So let's go and let's type that, and now we have the virtual assistant saying, how may I help you today? So there are multiple things. I added coupons. So right here, if I say coupons, we get some coupons right here. But I can just simply go to the menu, and we have the menu right here. I can see some signature dishes of the restaurant that I worked at, and there's multiple new things, like the location. Kind of change how the location looks. It takes me out to their location right here. Or if I say I wanna can I contact your chef or your owner, then it takes us to this right here, and basically all I need to do is enter my email address and phone number, and it'll email. So if I say gmail.com, and then if I do phone number 69717190, and if I say I'm just gonna say chatbot email test. So the restaurant knows that it's an email test, and yeah, when this output comes out, it means that the email or the known mailer officially worked, the known mailer API. So I think in my past two videos, I made a video on how to make restaurant reservations. However, this chatbot doesn't have restaurant reservations, as the owner didn't offer it, and he has reservations in some other API, and I'm not sure if he has reservations actually, but I'm pretty sure there is some way to reserve tables in the restaurant. But another video I made was on how to email with chatbots, and I just emailed this response. So if you want to check that video out, please check it out on my channel. I'll link in the description as well. Where I made a video on how to integrate Node Mailer into Dialogflow, and you can basically send emails to the back end. And let me see what else is there. There's different things, like I can ask for like a family pack for or we got a family pack right here, and I can basically look at this and order it online right here. Go to their website, and there's many different things that I added. The menu, there's so many things in the menu that to enter, and you know, if I say what's your phone number, what's your phone number, you get their phone number. And also for their hours, I put an image instead. It's cleaner in my opinion. So if I see the hours, you know, you get a cool nice image here if they're restaurant hours. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You know, we can see all of this stuff we have right here. We also have spice levels. You know, if I was to type spice levels, we get, yes, we offer 3 spice levels. And if I say is, I'm gonna put an Indian dish called tandoori chicken, and I'll see the spice levels for that. Yep, we do offer these spice levels. And let's see if this has. Let's see. Do you have? Okay, we offer it in our bread menu, which is good because naan is a bread. And if I search up, do you have rice? Do you offer rice for free? Certainly, we offer it as our sides. So rice is a side in Indian culture. So it isn't actually a side, but this restaurant does offer it as their sides, and um, pretty useful. And yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you liked it, please like this video. And if you would want me to make a video on how to code a restaurant chatbot for you guys, I can definitely do that. And yeah, please like this video, and comment anything you like, any feedback or something you know you have for me. And that's gonna wrap it up for today's video.